You know, until I really started feeding these birds some years ago, I didn't know that they ate like nuts and stuff. Because I put down the nuts preferably for the squirrels, but I see that the birds are also taking them. The shelled nuts, only the small ones. Like the big ones, they won't take. Or they can't take. Maybe it's too big for them. But these are smaller birds over here and stuff. So, these are smaller birds. And they're so pretty. And they're not really disturbed by like human presence and stuff. They don't really bother. And there's a few of us that come out here and feed them. It's someone comes out here early in the morning, and I come out here like this time, 10, 11 o'clock, and then somebody comes at 3, and then I know there's a lady at nighttime that feeds them.